Oh, God. Layla, what are you doing?
You're a pretty girl. Yeah. Absolutely. Working for the camera.
It's the hat.
You're so pretty. Oh, my God. What are you doing?
Mom, look at you put the hat on. Come here really quick.
And she got it tilted and everything. It's so
You're
official.
so cute. You're precious. You're so tired that you can't even care that we're all staring at you.
Yeah, I know. It's so cute.
Well, she's gonna get down, so if you wanna.
And
Even.
Go show.
Wash it. Wash it.
Mom, let's put my hat. Oh, we're gonna take a picture. Take a picture.
Took a video.
What do you do? The hat's bigger than you. You know that? So put your bar right in. You want to
Uh-oh.
put your hair? Oh, want me to put your bar right in your hair? What are you doing?
You need to put it back on or no?
Your mommy, here's your bar right.
Thank you.
Here's your bar right. Your mommy's got it.
Thank
Binky's in your mouth.